Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nur Azmiliman bin Abdullah from KB Tanjung Piai. Our voice, our independence. We were once many voices scattered like stars across the night. Different tongues, different dreams, yet bound by the same longing for the dawn of freedom, for the song of a land called Malaysia. We remember the whispers of struggle, the weight of chains, the cry of mothers sending sons to fight, the prayers that rose from kampung, from city, from mosque, temple, and church alike. Hands of every color joined in silent promise that one day the skies above this land will echo only with hope. And then it came, Merdeka! 7 times the word thundered, shaking the air, stirring the heart, planting freedom deep into the soil. But freedom is not a gift wrapped in silk. It is sweat, it is sacrifice, it is unity, test again and again. Look around you. The strength of Malaysia lives not in one race, not in one faith, but in the embrace of all. And every voice in between, woven together like threads of batik, like colors of the Jalur Gemilang. Unity is not sameness, it is harmony. It is the food we share. Each flavor proud of its place, each piece incomplete without the other. Unity is the drum of Kompang, answering the beat of the tabla, dancing with the strains of the erhu, while the sape hums beneath it all. Different notes, one melody, different hearts, one nation. And freedom. Freedom is the child in Sabah, who dream as big as the child in Kedah. Freedom is the student in Sarawak, who writes the same hope as the farmer in Perlis. Freedom is the right to speak, to learn, to believe, to walk tall as a Malaysian, never less, never alone. So let us rise, not as fragments, but as a flame. A flame that burns brighter when united. A flame that no storm can extinguish. Let us guard this gift form of Merdeka, not with silence, but with action. With courage to stand together. When the world tries to divide us, with love that speaks louder than hate ever could. Because this land is not yours, it's not mine, but ours. So on this Independence Day, let our voice join. Merdeka for unity, Merdeka for freedom, Merdeka for Malaysia, today, tomorrow, and forever. Thank you.